Hello and welcome to our guide on how to hang a TV in a metal gazebo. First, it's important to prepare the gazebo by measuring it to ensure the TV will fit and determining the best location for the TV. Make sure the gazebo is level and clean. Next, choose the right mounting hardware for your gazebo. There are a few different options available, such as wall mounts, ceiling mounts, and freestanding mounts. Make sure the chosen mounting hardware is compatible with the type of gazebo and the weight of the TV. Now, it's time to install the mount. This will involve attaching the mount to the gazebo and making sure it is level and secure. The process will vary depending on the type of mount you have chosen. Finally, it's time to hang the TV on the mount. Carefully lift the TV and place it on the mount, aligning the bracket with the mount. Secure the TV to the mount using the provided hardware. Make sure the TV is level and that the viewing angle is at your desired position. Additional considerations include weatherproofing and cable management. A weatherproof cover can protect the TV from the elements, and cable covers or conduit can protect the cables. That's it. With these steps, you can safely and securely hang a TV in your metal gazebo and enjoy an upgraded outdoor entertainment setup. Remember to take necessary precautions and double-check everything before enjoying your new outdoor TV setup.